नमः। नवमी कक्षा एकादशः पाठः मनोराज्यस्य फलम् means result of building castles in the air. So let us start. 11th lesson मनोराज्यस्य फलम्. पुरा अमरशक्तिः नाम राजा आसीत्. तस्य पुत्राः विवेकरहिताः शास्त्रविमुखाश्च. मनोरञ्जकः कथा माध्यमेन विष्णुशर्मा नाम पंडितः तान् नीतिशास्त्रपारङ्गतान् अकरोत्. तदर्थं रचितानां कथानां संग्रहः एव पञ्चतन्त्रं नाम्ना विख्यातः. मित्रभेदः, मित्रसम्प्राप्तिः, काकुलिकीयं, लब्धप्रणाशः, अपरीक्षितकारकम् इति तानि पञ्चतन्त्राणि. अपरीक्षितकारकात् स्वीकृता प्रस्तुतकथा. अदितेय इदं नित्यं नीतिशास्त्रं शृणोति च न पराभवमाप्नोति शक्रादपि कदाचन. Means, in the past there was a king named Amarashakti. His sons were thoughtless and averse to the study of Shastras. A scholar named Vishnu Sharma accepted the challenge of teaching them. The collection of stories told by him in order to explain the science of politics is named Panchantram. The present story is taken from the section Aparikshita Karakam. The book Panchatantra is praised in the verse Aditeyam idam nityam niti shastram shrunoti cha na parabhavamapnoti shakradapi kadachana. Means, he who studies or listens to this science and politics every day will never be defeated even by Lord Indra, the king of gods. Now let us begin with our lesson Manorajyasya Phalam. कस्मिंश्चित् नगरे कश्चित् स्वभावकृपणो नाम कोऽपि भिक्षुकः प्रतिवसति स्म. कस्मिंश्चित् नगरे means in a certain city. स्वभावकृपणो नाम means name स्वभावकृपण. कोऽपि भिक्षुकः, भिक्षुकः means beggar. प्रतिवसति स्म, प्रतिवसति means live. In a certain city live a beggar named स्वभावकृपण. तेन भिक्षया प्राप्तेन सक्तुपिष्टेन कलशः सम्पूरितः. तेन ही भिक्षया प्राप्तेन, भिक्षया means begging, praptena means obtain, saktupishtena ground barley, kalashah earthen pitcher, sampuritah filled. Tena bhikshaya praptena saktupishtena kalashah sampuritah means he filled an earthen pitcher with ground barley obtained by begging. तं च घटं नागदन्ते रज्वा बद्ध्वा तस्याधस्तात् कटं प्रसार्य सततं तद्विषये चिन्तयन् सः सुप्तः. तं च घटं नागदन्ते रज्वा बद्ध्वा. तं च घटं means earthen pitcher. नागदन्ते means on a peg. Rajva, rajva means with a rope. Badhva, badhva means having tied. Tasyadhastat means under it. Katam, katam means mat. Prasarya, prasarya means spread, having spread. Satatam, continuously. Tad vishaye means about it. Chintayan, chintayan means thinking. Saha suptaha, saha means he, and suptaha means sleep. तं च घटं नागदन्ते रज्वा बद्ध्वा तस्याधस्तात् कटं प्रसार्य सततं तद्विषये चिन्तनं सः सुप्तः. Means, tying the pitcher with a rope to the peg he used to sleep under it, having spread a mat and think continuously about it. सः अचिन्तयत्, he thought, यत् परिपूर्णोऽयं घटस्तावत् सक्तुपिष्टेन वर्तते. Yat paripurnoyam means this pitcher is full. Ghatastavat, ghata means earthen pitcher. Saktupishtena, saktupishtena means flour of barley. Saha achintayat yat paripurnoyam ghatastavat saktupishtena vartate. He thought Now this picture is filled with the flour of barley. यदि दुर्भिक्षं भवति तर्हि अस्य विक्रयेण रूप्यकाणां शतं प्राप्स्यामि. यदि means if, दुर्भिक्षं means famine, tarhi then asya vikrayena by means by selling, rupyakanam means rupees, shatam means 100, prapsyami means get. यदि दुर्भिक्षं भवति तर्हि अस्य विक्रयणेन रूप्यकाणां शतं प्राप्स्यामि. I shall get 100 rupees by selling it. ततस्तेन अहम अजाद्वयं क्रेष्यामि. ततस्तेन then I shall buy ajadvayam pair of goat. Aja means goat. Dvayam means pair, two. Ajadvayam means pair of goat. Kreshyami means buy. Then I shall buy a pair of goat with it. Okay. Glossary. Saktu means barley. Pishtam means flour. Sampuritaha means filled. Nagadantaha means peg. Rajju means rope. Adhastat underneath. Patam mat. Prasarya spreading. Suptaha slept. Durbhikshaha famine. Vikrenam sell. Ajadvayam a pair of goats. Kreshyami I shall buy. Translation. In a certain city lived a beggar named Swabhava Krupana. He filled an earthen pitcher with ground barley, obtained by begging and tying the pitcher with a rope to the peg he used to sleep under it, having spread a mat and think continuously about it. He thought, now this pitcher is full with the flour of barley. If there is a famine, I shall get 100 rupees by selling it. Then I shall buy a pair of goat with it. ततः षण्मासिकः प्रसववशात् ताभ्यां युद्धः भविष्यति. ततः षण्मासिकः प्रसववशात्. षण्मासिकः प्रसववशात् means owing to bearing young every 6 months. ताभ्यां युद्धः भविष्यति means owing to their bearing young every 6 months. A herd of goat will be there. Yuthah bhavishyati. A herd of goat will be there. ततो अजाभिः प्रभुतः धेनुः ग्रहीष्यामि. Ajabihi means with the goat. Prabhutah means many. Dhenu means cow. Grahishyami means buy. With the goat I shall buy many cows. Dhenubhihi mahishi. Dhenubhihi mahishi means with cows. Dhenubhihi means with cows. Mahishi means she buffaloes. With cows I shall buy she buffaloes. Mahishibhihi vadavaha. Mahishibhihi means with she buffaloes. Vadava means mares. With she buffaloes I shall buy mares. Vadava prasavataha prabhutaha ashvaha bhavishanti. Vadava means mare. The mare will give birth to a lot of horses. Vadava prasavataha prabhuta means lot, more, many. Ashvaha means horse. Bhavishanti. The mare will give birth to a lot of horses. तेषां विक्रयणात् प्रभूतं सुवर्णं प्राप्स्यामि. विक्रयणात् प्रभूतं means selling them. Suvarna means gold. Prapsyami. Selling them I shall obtain ample gold. Suvarnena chatushalam gruhas sampasyate. Suvarna means gold. With the gold. Suvarnena means with the gold. Chatushalam means 4 wings. Gruham means house. A house with 4 wings. Sampatsyate. Sampatsyate means built. With the gold, a house with 4 wings will be built. ततः कश्चित् धनिकः प्राप्तवयस्कां रूपाढ्यां कन्यां मह्यं दास्यति. ततः ततः कश्चित् then कश्चित् धनिक certain rich man प्राप्तवयस्का means marriageable age. प्राप्तवयस्कां रूपाढ्यां कन्यां. रूपाढ्यां means very beautiful. कन्या means daughter. मह्यम दास्यति will give. Then a certain rich man will give his very beautiful daughter of marriageable age to me. आवयोः पुत्रः भविष्यति. आवयोः both of us. पुत्र means son. भविष्यति both of us will have a son. तस्याहं सोमशर्मेति नामकरिष्यामि. तस्याहं तस्य अहं means I shall name him. नामकरिष्यामि name him Soma Sharma. I shall name him as Soma Sharma. करिष्यामि. ततः सः जानुचलनयोग्यं भविष्यति. ततः then सः he जानुचलनयोग्यः. जानुचलनयोग्यः means able to crawl on the knee. जानुचलनयोग्यः भविष्यति. Then he will be able to crawl on the knees. एकदा सोमशर्मा मां दृष्ट्वा मत्समीपम् आगमिष्यामि. एकदा means once. सोमशर्मा मां दृष्ट्वा means seeing me. मत्समीपम् means near me. आगमिष्यामि. Then seeing me सोमशर्मा will come near me. ततो अहं कोपाविष्टः अभिधास्यामि भार्याम्. Then getting angry I will say to my wife. भार्याम् means wife. कोपिविष्ट means angrily. गृहाण बालकम इति means take the child. सोपि मम वचनं न श्रोष्यति. सोपि means she. सः अपि means she also will not hear my words. मम वचनं my word. मम वचनं means my word. न श्रोष्यति means not hear. She also will not hear my words. तावत् काले कश्चन कुकुरः तत्र अगमिष्यति. Meanwhile, तावत् काले कश्चन कुकुरः a certain dog. तत्र means there. आगमिष्यति means come. Meanwhile, a certain dog would come there. सोमशर्मा तस्मात् भीत भविष्यति. सोमशर्मा तस्मात् भीत means afraid. भविष्यति. सोमशर्मा will be afraid of the dog. ततो अहं समुत्थाय लगुडेन तं कुकुरं ताडयिष्यामि. ततो अहं means I shall hit the dog. कुकुरं ताडयिष्यामि. कुकुरं means dog. ताडयिष्यामि means hit. लगुडेन means with a stick. Means then getting up quickly I shall hit the dog with a stick. एवं स्वप्नमग्नः ध्यानस्थितः सः तथैव लगुडप्रहारम् अकरोत्. Absorbed in thought he struck the stick accordingly. तेन लगुडप्रहारेण सक्तुपिष्टेन पूर्णः सः घटः भग्नः अभवतः. As a result, तेन लगुडप्रहारेण means stroke of the stick. सक्तुपिष्टेन. सक्तुपिष्ट means floor of barley. पूर्ण means filled. सह घटः means this pot. भग्नः means broken. अभवतः. तेन लगुडप्रहारेण सक्तुपिष्टेन पूर्णः सः घटः भग्नः अभवतः. As a result of that stroke of the streak, the pitcher filled with a floor of barley as broken. स्वभावकृपणः सः पंडुरताम् अगच्छत्. स्वभावकृपणः सः means he. Panduratam means white. Agachat. Swabhavakrupanah become white. Atah bravimi. Therefore I say. Glossary. Shanmasikah means occurring every 6 months. Prasavavashat owing to their bearing young. Prabhutaha many. Grahishyami I shall take. Vadava mares. Chatushalam having 4 wings. Sampasyate get completed. Prapta cheyaskam means of marriageable age. Rupadhya means very beautiful. Janu chalana yogyaha able to crawl on knees. Kopavishtaha angry. Abhidhasyami I shall say. Kukkaraha dog. Lagudaha a stick. Panduraha means white. Translation. Owing to their bearing young every 6 months, a herd of goats will be there. With the goats, I shall buy many cows. With cows, I shall buy mares. The mares will give birth to a lot of horses. Selling them, I shall obtain ample gold. With the gold, a house with 4 wings will be built. Then a certain rich man will give his very beautiful daughter of marriageable age to me. Both of us will have a son. I shall name him as Soma Sharma. Then he will be able to crawl on the knees. Seeing me, Soma Sharma will come near me. Then getting angry, I will say to my wife, take the child. She also will not hear my words. Meanwhile, a certain dog would come there. Soma Sharma will be afraid of the dog. Then getting up quickly, I shall hit the dog with a stick. Absorbed in thought, he struck a stick accordingly. As a result of that stroke of the stick, the pitcher filled with the floor of barley as broken. Swabhavakrupana become white. Therefore I say, अनागतवतीं चिन्तामसम्भाव्यां करोति यः स एव पंडुरः शेते सोम शर्मा पिता यथा. Anagatavatī means what has not come. Asambhavyam means what can be expected. Shete means slips. Panduraha means white. Soma Sharma Pita. Soma Sharma means Pita means father of Soma Sharma. Okay, means he who bestows thought on what has not come to pass and what cannot be expected to be possible lies turn white as did the father of Soma Sharma. Glossary. Anagatavati means what has not come. Shete means lips. Asambhavyam what can be expected. Shrushyati means will listen. Translation. He who bestows thought on what has not come to pass and what cannot be expected to be possible lies turn white as did the father of Soma Sharma. I hope you all have understood this lesson. If you didn't understand this lesson, then see this video again and again so that you will understand it. So that's all for this part. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share the video so that others can learn, and also subscribe my channel to regularly update about the course. धन्यवादः.